You know the kind of freaks up there who drool all over you.
Hi, my name is Spaicy.
What's up, guys? LoulouVZ.
Planet Snoworld. Snoworld had its name due to the shape of its continents, in which they resemble snowflakes. This planet is formed by 3 continents, which are Snoworld, Akili, and Thembras. Continent Snoworld. Snoworld is a continent divided into 7 areas. Among them lies the Crystal City, which was founded by the Crystal King and Queen. This continent developed peacefully, where its population has an exceptional standard of living. Crystal City, a place of advanced technology with peaceful upper and middle class. You have an array of sights to behold, and while it's neighbor to Edresh, some places in Crystal City can get snowy. Lylan, a peaceful city distinguished by its hot springs, immense forests, and some robotic villages. Lylan has an outflow of energy and is connected to the neighboring continent Akili. Rivine, a massive forest area filled with dangerous beasts. From its seashore, fishing is a practice. Rivine is connected to the neighboring continent Thembras. Gritchcore, a city distinguished of its plant towns due to the population being of plant-like origins. It's where magic is studied, handcrafts are sold, and farming is work. Gritchcore is among those areas with an outflow of energy. Hanoth, also known as the City of Love due to immense beautiful cherry trees grown there, where people generally express their feelings to one another. It is a beautiful, peaceful city where festivals are held annually. Ilamna, a busy city popularized as a vacation spot, thriving with casinos and pubs. It's commercially based on tourism. Edresh, a hill area of beautiful flowery villages, although it is also dangerous due to its strong winds. An outflow of energy also resides in Edresh. Continent Akili. Akili is distinguished by its beautiful beaches and warm weather. Its greatest focus is on fishing, mining, and tourism. Akili is divided into 6 areas. Kelnia, filled with peaceful cities, its greatest focus is on vegetable farming. Kelnia is connected to continent Snoworld. Ukukali, a highly touristic area with its beautiful beaches and gastronomy. Ukukali also has one of its biggest underwater cities in Snoworld, where it thrives a large amphibian population. Wombena, an area with one of its biggest cities of Snoworld with high urbanization located underground. This was made to avoid very high temperatures of the desert. The city is also an active tourist spot with lively parties in the night. Wombena also has an energy outflow in this area. Nenzies, an area of little urbanization but with a lot of tourism due to its red canyons, rainbow-like lakes, and a city made of crystals surrounded by lava. Outflow of energy also lies in Nenzies. Zivila, an urbanized, peaceful area dedicated to its fishing. It's where several companies of Akili are located. Zivila is connected to continent Thembras. Yoku, a vast inhabited area where several wild and tropical creatures coexist. Energy also flows within Yoku. Continent Thembras. Thembras is a continent of drastic landscapes where nature and wildlife reign. In contrast, there also exists suburbanization. Thembras is divided into 6 areas. Zenarka. This area connects to all 3 continents of Snoworld due to being the closest peninsula and being the safest among tourists. It's an urban and touristic place where life is moderately calm. Asfar. It is one of the most important cities in Thembras where its population and trade is focused. Here you can find the best universities, workplaces, infrastructure, and so on. It is also one of the first Snoworld colonies ever known. Asphar also holds an energy outflow in this area. Area, a half-urban, half-sylvan place where many tribal traditions are preserved. There they preserve ancient Aryan ruins of their ancestry. Balto, an area governed mostly by robots. There the inhabitants face poverty and hard times, but still strive from their efforts of workforce. It is where most electronic devices of Snoworld are built. Energy also flows in Balto. Halderus, a place ruled by beasts and semi-beasts. Many rituals and battles are commenced there. It is filled with jungles, waterfalls, and a vast array of wildlife in general. Authard, one of the most dangerous but strikingly appealing cities in Thembres. Natural wonders are concentrated there as such, erupting volcanoes, crystal caves, and jungles. Very often, semi-beasts often come to train at this particular place. It is also a place where energy outflow is present.
In this What Is video, we're going to take a closer look at the planet we all call home. Planet Earth is home to over 7 billion people and nearly 9 million different species of plants, animals, and insects. Seen from space, it's a majestic blue and green marble. But this picturesque planet has a treasure trove of interesting facts waiting to be discovered. Long before man took photos of Earth from space, people knew that the planet was round. How, you might ask? One way was to watch a ship sailing off into the horizon. It would continue to get smaller and smaller until only the tallest point of its sail was visible. This meant that instead of falling off an edge, it was slowly curving away from the observer, a sure sign that Earth wasn't flat. Of course, we now know that the Earth is part of a solar system where multiple planets orbit around a bright star called the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, making it one of the inner planets. The inner planets are relatively small, dense, and rocky. In contrast, the outer planets in the solar system are giant balls of swirling gas. To put Earth's size in perspective, the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, is 1,000 times the size of Earth, and the Sun is about 1,000 times bigger than Jupiter. The Earth can be separated into different layers that function in harmony to support life as we know it. The lithosphere is the topmost layer of Earth's crust. It includes mountains, valleys, continents, and all of the rock beneath the oceans. The hydrosphere is all of the water on Earth, including the 75% of the Earth that is covered by ocean. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. It is made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen. Water and oxygen are crucial to life as we know it. The biosphere describes all the living organisms on Earth. This self-regulating ecosystem supports life in even the remote regions of the planet. As you can see, we live on a unique planet, and each of its layers perform a crucial role in supporting you, me, and the millions of other species that inhabit it.